Like for me, it makes me feel happy doing things like this, getting out right by the sea here, listening to the waves crashing, and also seeing people walking around rather than just being in my desk all the time. So like I said, if you want to start a YouTube channel, what is it that you would like to do? Even if you're working full time, when you get your break, jump into your car if you've got a car, or just jump, outside, get some fresh air or something, and just do a video about your day.